Recently, a news story claimed that the people were arrested over a allegedly manipulated forensic report of a viral video case of a political party and political professional. I'm not here to comment on that case or decide who is right or who is wrong, and that is a part of investigation which need to be carried by the court or the policing in India. But this raises a very serious question for the upcoming forensic experts or forensic students who are doing degree in forensic sciences or doing cyber forensic investigations. We don't want to get into the fact checker of the media, like we need to talk about what media is saying. We just want to hear onto the one particular issue. I, Ashish Singh Kuntal from Hawkeye Forensic Senior Scientific Officer, want to discuss something related to exactly how we do the forensic. In this video, we would be talking about some sort of serious concern which are raised by this video about the forensic expert which are coming into the market, or upcoming forensic expert, or for people who are reading forensic sciences, who would be the next forensic experts into this. In our India, like we do the forensic investigation under section 39 BSA, भारतीय साक्ष्य अधिनियम के अंदर में हम reports provide करते हैं, and the report provide करने के लिए who set the experts. So our admissibility comes by the studies which we do, for example BSc degree, MSc degree, doctorate degree, then the certification which we do in forensic sciences or a relatively different field, then the certification, this trainings related to this, and the extra skills which we acquire. So for example, if I need to be a video forensic analyst, so I need to know more about electronic evidences, and the law behind the electronic evidences should be relevant. So it's not the case. For example, जैसे डॉक्टर्स होते हैं, एक हड्डियों का डॉक्टर अलग है, एक आंखों का डॉक्टर अलग है, एक ब्रेन का डॉक्टर अलग है, इसी तरीके से हमारे भी फोरेंसिक एक्सपर्ट डिफरेंट डिविजन्स के हिसाब से. फॉर एग्जांपल क्वेश्चन डॉक्यूमेंट के अगर एक्सपर्ट्स हैं तो उसके अंदर में गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से GQD डिसाइड होते हैं, गवर्नमेंट एग्जामिनर ऑफ क्वेश्चन डॉक्यूमेंट. सो दे विल बी डूइंग एंड दे विल बी डूइंग द इन्वेस्टिगेशन रिलेटेड टू क्वेश्चन डॉक्यूमेंट्स, where a cyber forensic analyst could be working on to the electronic evidences which are there. So इसी तरीके से वीडियो फोरेंसिक भी एक साइबर फोरेंसिक डिवीजन का पार्ट होता है. So जिसके साइबर फोरेंसिक डिवीजन के अंदर में मोबाइल फोरेंसिक, कंप्यूटर फोरेंसिक एग्जामिनेशंस, देन हमारा ईमेल फोरेंसिक एग्जामिनेशंस, then हमारी audio, video, image forensic examination, all these things are coming into this. If you have certainly multiple certification related to this field of area, there are vendor neutral and vendor specific certification into the market. So if you have experience of working on multiple videos or phones or electronic evidences, then you might be admissible into the courtroom. So before this, you should be having a relevant degree into this field of area where you study mobile forensic, computer forensic, image forensic, file systems. You should be knowing very well into the file system. So there are certainly multiple modules which need to be understood by you. So you need to know the fundamentals of these modules and about the electronic evidences. Second thing which comes in, you should be having experience of working in multiple number of videos and audios if you are providing a report. Third thing is, you should be knowing the law abiding with this forensic examinations. What are the principle on which we are providing. It's not the case you watch the video and you are providing this forensic examination report by just observing the fact findings. So it's never the case. One analysis or one clue cannot conclude this like video is genuine or video is fake. So there are multiple we have multiple points onto which we says like this is the video is genuine or video is fake. So considering all the above point of the observation and examination, we conclude this like onto the basis of aforesaid or investigation or analysis observation part, we are concluding this as a. So we just want to, with this video, we are not making an expert, but we want to comment on what are the grounds actually on which like we are providing the forensic examination of a video. So for example, if we have a video file, so we make sure like we should be knowing where it coming from. So coming from means that where exactly this video is originated. For example, if somebody has recorded the video, so original recorded primary device is your phone, If the recorded video is not there into the phone, or you have sent it to somebody on WhatsApp, the video might be compressed, and then sometime if you see onto WhatsApp, it is forwarded multiple times, it's written. So it means multiple compression might be there. Somebody into the middle of this might change the video, or he might again send it to somebody. So there are multiple things which we need to consider this. So if you have a case, you make sure like you know the original device, and for that like we require a 634C certificate. So what is 634C certificate? So we have in India, it was earlier known as 65B and falling under section 65B Indian Evidence Act. But now that after July 2024, the act has been changed to 634C, where two certificates are there. Certificate A for owner certificate of 634C, and then B is for the expert who are there into the market, who's providing the authenticity and admissibility of that electronic record, which is falling under the act. After providing 634C, we should provide the transfer of that electronic media to a pen drive or any secondary media in which you certified, like you being an expert, you being a literate into this field of area, you are actually copying or transferring the media or transferring the actual evidence in such a way that during this transferring process, nothing has been changed. So you certified that, you signed that certificate, which goes into the courtroom along with the pen drive, along with your electronic evidence, and then it goes like this is an actual certificate, and there's no transfer. So in which you calculate the hash values. So what are the actual hash values are there within the video which is there into the phone, and the videos which is there into the pen drive. If the video is missing, it's missing the original device in which it is actually questionable. So you can question the video if the original device is not there. So now come back to the second scenario in which we have a video but we don't know where it is coming from. So in that case we can do the authentication, but still there might be a question. But onto the rare to rare cases, we do examine that video as well onto the basis of frame by frame analysis, in which we talk about how many frames are there, and all the frames are very much accurate. So there's no distortion in between. So we check about any abruptions or any anomalies into the video. So we clearly go frame by frame. So the video could be 24 frames per second, 12 frames per second. So 12 frames per second means in 1 second we have 12 frames or 12 pictures in one video. So, or you can talk about if that is a 24 frames per second, then 24 frames in 1 second. So this is how the frame by frame analysis which is conducted into the video. Second thing is metadata analysis. So we have every video or every electronic evidence is having its own metadata. So in that case, like we need to examine the metadata, in which we talk about creation date of the file, modification date of the file, codec of the file. So several properties, how much size is, or whether the audio was there, codec was there, pixel level, how much pixels were there, frame per second. So all these things are coming into the metadata analysis. Or if the video is recorded by the phone, then there is also the phone name is also there, in which like we talk about the phone model, exact phone model, time, durations, shutter speed, or other settings of the phones. For example, whether the video was in 4K, whether it is a 30 frames per second. If you record the video from the iPhones, you talk about 30 frames per second, 60 frames per second, 4K video. So depending on you want to quality of the video can determine also multiple things into the metadata analysis. Apart from this, we do error level analysis, in which any kind of different errors, so we actually change we actually change the filters of the video. So we have inverted filters or grid filters, which we talk about into the video. Why? While doing these kind of things, you can see actually the changes. So for example, if we inverted a video, you might see if any disruptions are there, they might be highlighted onto this basis. Fourth thing which we talk about, signature analysis. So signature analysis of any file. So it's not related to just a video. So every electronic device is having their own signatures, which defines the originality of this video was having the signatures, how many times they has been changed. So if the signature is missing or you are getting some sort of weird signatures which are not there into the dictionary of signature analysis, then again there's a concern. So these are few of the points we can mold, or we can have more points depending on to the department, depending on to the your working area or the company which you have. You have multiple different softwares. So if the video is also having an audio, so we separate the video and separate the audio. We separate the audio from the video, and then we also do the video audio analysis. So sometimes you might be knowing, so whatever the video we make it, so we have a separate recorder for the audio and separate recorder for the video. So we merge that and we make sure the lip sync it's clearly visible. So if both the videos are merged together, then it is not the original audio or original video, it is merged together. So that is also the concern. Some people or some organizations, they do they convert the video into the waveform, and then they transfer the audio file. They separately examine the audio file and video file. After this, like, we have multiple softwares, different kind of softwares available into the market. Many different companies who provide paid software. They are pretty much expensive. If you have the knowledge related to these all set of areas, then you can conclude by saying, by examining a 4 set points, onto the basis of 4 set point, I'm here to say like video is genuine or video is fake. So fake videos, sometimes in a file signature you can get the idea about website from the video has been made. If you talk about the AI generated videos, you might not getting the proper metadata. So it's a different science altogether, right? So as a forensic expert, I just want to talk about how this is how a video examination has been conducted. But moreover, the issue is, I just want to say that the expert which is coming new into the market, or the new students who are studying forensic, very different parts of forensic sciences, very different subjects of forensic sciences. They are studying audio forensic, video forensic, image forensic is also a great subject. But I just want to request them all, like, in this field you might be offered a lot of money by just saying you signed the report. It's not the case. We just need to be working onto the ethics. We are not going on to the one other side. So it's a duty to be very much ethical. If you want to become a forensic expert, learn the tools, learn the science, but above all, protect your integrity. People may forget your name, they may forget your certifications, but they will always remember whether your report could be trusted. Your biggest asset is not your softwares, it's your honesty. So you need to make sure you are working with by heart, and you make sure like you are not just going anywhere into the basis of working with against the money. The purpose of forensic science is not to win the argument. It is discover the fact, and fact never belongs to any political party, company, individual. They belongs only to the truth. Thank you for watching. If in case you like the video, you want more this kind of stuff, you can make sure you write something into the comment section so that we can improve onto the next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.